Hello, in collaboration with Istanbul Design Center, we are launching 2 courses on Islamic geometric patterns. The first course is the foundation level for the beginners. This course will last for 8 weeks, covering 4-fold and 6-fold basic patterns. This course will help beginners to improve their skills and to get started in the field of Islamic geometric patterns. The second course will cover complex 4-fold, 5-fold and 6-fold patterns. This course will last for 9 weeks. It is for those who have some experience in drawing Islamic geometric patterns. My advice to beginners is to start from the foundation level course. We are looking forward to see you joining our online courses. Thank you very much.